meine Damen, ich werde nicht so lange aufnehmen. Ich habe auch noch ein paar geht ja auch nicht so. Ich würde schon nicht was machen, aber ich darf nicht. Ja, besser die Bank überzeugen, die das ist jetzt nicht so spannend, hier am Anfang. Ich kann nicht mal, ich weiß nicht, was mit ist.
Hey, what's up, Simeon?
My dear boy, so good to see you. So good.
Let's go to the best people. What's your name?
So, wir müssen jetzt...
And you still rolling with that old raggedy ass here? Well, you should have get on shot right.
I never took you to be all hairstyle type, dude. And now it's all starting to make sense. You being a dick, you know that? Hey, wasn't that motherfucking Joker bike that say Vago team with the tattoo on his face and shit?
Yeah, that was him.
Fuck, homie. I don't want no unnecessary bullshit here, alright? Nigga, I don't give a shit.
There's a reason Simeon pays a couple of mean looking motherfuckers.
Damn, moron!
Pays a couple of mean looking motherfuckers to come repo this shit.
We ain't Girl Scout. Yeah, okay, but I ain't so sure about that.
Yeah, step up, nigga. Of course it's no real. Who else gonna have to require surplus of paper and deficiency of brain cells? He just put a dub down on this bike. Fuck! Down on this bike.
20 G's with a 3G note? That motherfucker must have tricked out, dog.
Man, this whole... setup designed to take your money.
Alright, man, look, you go in quiet, in and out, no fucking drama.
I'm sorry, homie, but I'm one loud, dramatic brand. What kind of really shoot a motherfucker in the back like motherfucker? You love me for it, nigga.
That's right, homie. Nothing but love. Nothing but love, nigga.
I tell you, the funny dude, though, it's gonna be the same when we get to book his ass and jack him for all this shit.
What the fuck you talking about? What psychotic motherfucker?
That's how shit works, ain't it? You do some down for a fool, develop a relationship, and then they ask you to do something above and beyond. You fall out, fool get capped, start all over again with some other fool. Man, this ain't a story of the monkey hating. Put your ass back in here. The bike ain't in there. Let's go.
Where the fuck you get that from? That ain't my life, dummy.
The bike should be one of the lockups down here. Should be a story of your life, asshole.
Drücke X auf die Kette. Ich hab das gemacht.
Think this crazy motherfucker wants something.
Schreib auch noch 50 Sekunden. Ey, Mann!
Hey, what's up,
Du willst gegen mich kämpfen?
Go, homie.
So.
Shit, man. Play it cool. Wake up.
Ey, ich hab einen Anfang.
Am I gonna have to give these crazy tattooed motherfuckers by myself?
Denn ich bin auch wie in... Hey, Mann, komm jetzt mit!
Man, your pussy the only thing that's smooth up in this shit.
Geht so langsam!
This is a routine lick, dog.
Chill. You them barbos looking at me? What the shady ass ass?
Shit, we invest BTB.
We on the wrong side of this BTB. You should know what I'm saying.
Hey, hold up. You got to be in one of these motherfuckers.
Oh,
Ain't this about a bitch? Ain't no motherfucking bike in here, man. No shit, nigga. Hola, amigos.
Allah,
Hola, SA. So you trying to creep up in here, man? Yeah? You saw this motherfucker?
oh, that's it.
Come on, motherfucker. Come on down, everybody. Come on. Hey, nigga, I would've just got my ass beat over a fucking gunfight. Stop being a pussy, nigga, and grab that heat.
Yeah.
Sit on your left. Turn your bitch ass.
Ja, das Schienen, der was mit
Even the shit out, homie. Grab the shot.
man sagt Maschine.
Somebody tell the niggas it's illegal repossession. You ain't friends wherever your ass go, nigga.
Na doch, ja.
There's a fool on the fountain. Up there, shoot that nigga. Bust his ass. Get that car out. The more of the nigga. And fuck this. Shoot the gas, homie. Oh, yeah, bitch. Over there. They coming out that door. Old booty ass nigga. Stop beating your bitch.
Yeah, barely, homie. Man, we only came here for a bite.
Come get it right there. Hey, nigga, come here. We got no pizza. Let's get it.
We really gonna wait for after all this bullshit.
Little jamboree.
You driver, right?
Let's get him, homie. I want to get paid.
Paid ain't worth shit when you doing 25 with an L. We massacred those motherfuckers. Shit.
Don't get careful, homie. This punk get away, we're going down, homie. We gonna kill him for all these bodies.
And whose fault is that, Mr. 80 Captain movie body first motherfucker?
Don't play the blame game. Let's get on this shit. My whip. Take him off already.
That's a monster fucking bike you ride, you stupid.
Motherfuckers getting away from him.
That's because he's sitting on 140 inches right here, nigga.
Oh, shit, Professor, you're right. Then watch that shit, homie. You slipping, fool.
Oh, stop it. Oh, shit. Den Spieler verarschen, Alter. Noch zu gehen, dass wir Spieler verarschen. Schau, oder nicht? Das bei jedem Game so, oh, Alter.
That's the bike we came for. We need to shoot him off the bike, because the crack is banging up. Bye-bye, I ain't about that. No, we gotta lay low. Get the bike and near the car while it's on innocent. All right, drive safe.
Oh. 9 Minuten. Ich glaube, wir sollten jetzt mal das Let's Play beenden und wir werden uns auch in der nächsten Folge sehen.